Hey everybody, thanks for watching again. Today we're going to be opening up a box of 2018 Topps Triple Threads. I had mentioned a couple videos ago that we were going to be looking for a box of this to break, and we're finally going to do it. And I just have to say that this is the first time that I've ever opened a box of this. Being a huge baseball fan and baseball card fan, I've always wanted to, but let's be honest, Triple Threads are pretty expensive. And I've always been nervous about spending that kind of money on one box, but I finally decided to do it. So we're going to. For those of you that don't know the breakdown, we've got one hobby box. Inside there are two mini boxes. Each will contain 7 cards. One of the packs, the configuration will be one auto jumbo relic or rookie autograph numbered to 99 or less, and one triple relic card numbered to 36 or less. The other pack will have one auto triple relic numbered to 99 or less, and one jumbo relic card numbered to 36 or less. And of course, both packs will have 3 base cards and 2 base parallels. And there's always the chance for one of the book cards, or even a 1-of-1, a printing plate, the white whale printing plates. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get before I die of excitement. It's only a little nerve-wracking opening this up. All right. So we have our 2 packs. Got Trout on the cover. I would try to show you the odds, but they're pretty tiny, so we're not even going to bother trying to read that. Go ahead and get both of these opened up. Guess we might be able to tell from the beginning if we have one of the fat packs with the book in it, which that pack doesn't look like it. This pack doesn't feel heavy or anything, so not gonna hold my breath. All right, they both looked relatively normal size. I think the one on the right's a little bit bigger, so we're gonna do that one last just in case. Go ahead and open this up. I am extremely nervous doing this because I am just that excited about it. All right. All right, so base cards. We have Freddie Freeman, Eric Hosmer, and Bartolo Colon. And I'm going to go ahead and try to pull the 2 numbered cards. All right, so we have Giancarlo Stanton, numbered to 199. And we have Mike Trout, numbered to 299. All right, we're going to go ahead and flip this around. And our autograph, we have Fernando Romero, numbered out of 99. Oh, still holding on to that Bartolo Colon. I was a little confused there. Fernando Romero, numbered to 99, rookie auto. And then our triple relic card is Max Scherzer. And it says on there 6.1 innings, so 6 1/3 innings, 15 Ks. And this is Emerald, numbered to 18. All right. Let's go ahead and get into this second pack. Still kind of holding my breath there. I've never pulled a 1-of-1, so that would be nice too. All right. Base cards, we have Carlos Correa, Masahiro Tanaka, and Babe Ruth. That's pretty exciting. Even if it's just a base card, these cards are really nice. They are thicker. Even the base cards are not normal size. All right, we'll go ahead and get to our 2 numbered cards there. And we have George Brett, numbered to 259. And we have Chris Sale, numbered to 299. So we'll go ahead and flip around. And our jumbo relic card is Justin Verlander, numbered 9 of 27. All right, and that is the Chris Sale numbered. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, that is exciting. That is a Jose Canseco autograph, and it says Steals of Home. And if you can see up there in the top, that is numbered 3 of 3. That is the lowest serial number card I have ever pulled, since I haven't pulled a 101. And a couple videos ago, out of the Panini Elite Extra, I did pull a card out of 5, the Estevan Florial. But numbered 3 of 3 is way more exciting. Jose Canseco, and you got the bat chunks in there. So definitely an exciting card. I don't know if it's coming across in the video, but I'm definitely happy about that. And then there's the back of it. Brief little rundown on him. Yeah, Jose Canseco numbered 3 of 3. So just to recap our big hits, we do have Canseco. We have Fernando Romero, numbered out of 99. We had the Max Scherzer Emerald, numbered out of 18. And we have the Justin Verlander Jumbo Relic, numbered out of 27. All right, guys. Well, since there's only 2 packs in there, it's a pretty short video, but thank you guys for watching again. If you'd like, feel free to check out some of our listings on eBay at ks-sports-cards. It is the same as our YouTube name. And please feel free, if you liked this video, to like or comment. And please also subscribe to the channel so we can keep it growing. The more we grow, the more packs we can get, the more boxes we can do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you.